What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna tell you my top three favorite protein shakes that I have just kind of figured out myself. I've tried a few different recipes that like other people have suggested, and none of them have really, I haven't really been too keen on any of them. So I've kind of just been playing around with different recipes. I'll keep you guys updated if I figure out any more, but in the beginning of my workout life and my journey, I just was hating protein mix. Oh my gosh, it was horrible. Just rookie mistake, never just drink protein mix with powder because it's gross. It's gross, you guys. Don't do it. It's disgusting. So I'm gonna tell you my top three, and I'm sorry for missing out on you guys last week. Life was coming down on me and it just wasn't that great. So I'm back and we're gonna do this. I'm gonna make only one of the protein shakes for you guys because I just left the gym, so I need one. I don't need it, but your girl wants it because it's delicious, you know? So I'm gonna show you how to make the other two just to prepare them. You guys can make them at home if you want. Obviously, if you're gonna try the recipes, then you're gonna wanna make them at home. But either way, they're both delicious. All of them are delicious. If you have any recipes that you use yourself, leave a comment down below with what that recipe is. Honestly, I just wanna try different things because those first experiences with that protein powder just had me shooketh, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, it was bad. Like I questioned my life in fitness. I was like, do I really want to do this? Because everyone's drinking those protein shakes and your girl ain't having it. No. So if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to follow me, my life, and my fitness journey. If you're into traveling, I am planning some trips in a few months, so subscribe for that too. Let's get to it, guys. Protein fruit smoothie. You're gonna need 1 scoop of your protein powder. I use a vanilla ice cream flavor. You're gonna need 1 banana, a few strawberries, blueberries, whatever fruit you want to choose, and then I use the unsweetened acai puree. Moving in to your girl's favorite, it's gonna be the chocolate protein milkshake. You're gonna need your protein nut milk, which is almond and cashew milk, and then you're gonna want to use the chocolate halo top ice cream. I've noticed that out of all of the halo top ice creams, this one has a higher calorie count. I typically use between 1.5 to 2 cups of the cashew almond protein silk milk. If you want a thicker consistency, you can either go down in the amount of milk that you're using. You can either use more of the halo top ice cream or you can add ice. That's totally up to you and how much you really want to consume. Typically in all of my protein shakes, I use just half a pint. But again, if you want to change this, you totally can. If you haven't noticed already, I'm a bit of a messy cooker, so hopefully you can be a little bit more neat than I am. Now, this is the first time that I'm using this protein powder. It's the organic protein chocolate fudge flavor. I don't know if it was just this specific flavor or if it's the protein mix altogether, but it was just not my favorite. It was very powdery for some reason. It calls for 2 whole scoops to get to 20 grams of protein. After you add that in, I would recommend stirring it. I didn't stir it this time around, so as you can see, it got stuck on the outer edges of the cup. So just go ahead and stir that and then blend it all up. Final protein milkshake is going to be peanut butter, protein mix, and the plain nut milk. You can also add a banana for a little bit of extra flavor. These are some other ingredients that I forgot to put in with my other smoothies / milkshakes. Screenshot each one just to get a little bit more information. And that's going to be it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you liked what you saw. Until next time, guys. Bye.